In this video, I am going to discuss about the topic of digital marketing. That what is digital marketing and why should we use digital marketing for our brand, services or products or our company. So here I am going to share some information about digital marketing. So digital marketing is a way to promote your product, services and brand in digital platforms using internet. So finally we can say that digital marketing is a strategy or a way to promote your products or services with your customers or your clients uh, in digital platforms like social media platforms, like search engine platforms, or like email platforms, etc. So these are digital platforms and we can promote our products, services and brands using digital marketing strategies. So here some digital marketing strategies are given. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is also called as SEO. SEO is used to rank your website higher on any search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. So if you will use search engine optimization in your website will rank higher on specific keywords. So as you also know that people search for some keywords, like they want to get a makeup artist in a specific location, then they search the like makeup artist in Boca Raton or makeup artist in New Delhi. So these are the keywords, and if we optimize our website for these keywords, then our website can be rank higher or rank on the top of the research engine result page. So this can give us more clients or more customers for our business. Second thing is Facebook ads. We can promote our products using Facebook, and we can we can get a lot of clients or a lot of customers using Facebook ads and Instagram ads, and as well as from Google ads. Google ads also different kind of ads. We have different kind of ads in Google ads, like search ad, display ads or shopping ads, etc. We will discuss it later. And YouTube ads, we can promote our products using a video or using our display ad in YouTube. And sixth one is email marketing. We can promote our products using email marketing. We can send our customers to email, and they can be connect with us and we can promote our products and services using email marketing. Chatbot marketing is also very useful digital marketing strategy. We can introduce chatbot in our website, and if somebody come in our website and they want to connect with us, they can simply type some kind of text, and they can we have a autoresponder of bot, and they can give us their contact number or their details, and this will be a lead, and we can get this thus we can get a useful customer. So I hope you got information about digital marketing. If you want to know more about digital marketing, then please let me know in the comment section. I can make more videos about this topic. So if you want to get more videos, then please let me know. If you like this video, then please consider like button, and please consider subscribe button also, because I will upload more videos on this topic, and I will upload more videos about search engine optimization, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, etc. So you can subscribe this channel, and please let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Okay, so I hope you got information. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.